Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. I'm going to take you along on just a day in the life. I haven't done like just a hang out around the house vlog and get things done. And it's actually 70, it's going to get 72 today. And I got on the treadmill, so I did put my shorts on today. And I'll probably wear them outside if I do anything on the deck because we are going to grill some steaks. I also wanted to show you this Cabela's, it's a pet cot. So when we're out around the campfire, we camp with some friends who have a cot for their dog, and it works out really good because it keeps them sort of off, because you know there's always a lot of dirt and stuff, you know, when you're camping. And this thing is awesome, and we're going to use it for camping. It does fold up very easily like this, and then you just flatten it out, and then you know you could put a bed on here or a blanket, but this is gonna, and it has a little thing here, so once you fold it up you can clamp, you know, it's easy to kind of keep it together. It is Cabela's brand. I'm really excited to use this. We'd also bought a couple of folding chairs, new kind of folding chairs for camping. So when we camp this season, you guys will see those. But yeah, Roscoe did jump on it, and then he jumped right off and jumped on his he said this is way more comfortable up here. So, do you like this? Come here. It's a good size. I'm going to show you guys. I'll take him down and let me see if I can get that in the picture. Now he's a big size Yorkie. So he's a you know, kind of a standard, like a bigger size Yorkie, but see how it's a really good size. If you have like any kind of a smaller dog, this is going to be plenty of room. It probably wouldn't work for a really big dog, but you know, oh see, he kind of likes it. Yeah, see, he's already, I'm surprised that he actually did that. Anyway, yeah, I think it's I think he likes it. I'm really happy about that. So yeah, so he'll be able to lay on this when we're around the campfire, or just around the campsite, and it'll keep him a bit off the ground. Yeah, because it does get real, you know, it gets dirty. We put a big indoor-outdoor rug outside the camper, but you know, when you're you're hiking and you're walking around up in the mountains like that, or wherever we're camping, you track a lot of dirt onto that rug. And then if I put a bed down for him or something, you know, I have to come home and wash it and everything. So this is canvas. It's going to be really easy to clean off. So he always wants to lick the lotion off my hands. I don't really know what's next, but I will show you the steaks and John's new grill, the new smoker when he gets back. He is like a kid in the candy factory when it comes to grilling meat and stuff, so which is fine with me because the more he cooks, the less I have to. So John just got back from Sam's Club, and I'll show you guys what he bought. So he bought some of this premium hardwood barbecue pellet smokehouse blend. It's a blend of hickory, oak, and maple, and cherry. And are you going to use that today, or just put it in your reserve?
Yeah, I'm going to try a couple different ones because I've got the other one from Bass Pro.
Oh, okay.
The Cabela's brand. I want to try that one too. So.
Okay. And then he bought a thing of paper towels, the Members Mark. We still like those paper towels. That's my vacuum cleaner sitting over there. I need to empty it. I've been vacuuming and need to still vacuum. So he also bought some of the the Downy 4-in-1 Tide these pods. Yeah. Yep. That'll work.
They had some different.
No, that one will work. Sometimes I don't get it with the 4-in-1, but that's okay. Well, that one looks good. And then he bought a bag of the Tostitos scoops, and that's an antenna. He's working on a project there, so just ignore that. And then, dirty. Seeds of Change, quinoa and brown rice. We got some of that. He got that. He bought a couple of these Taylor Farms salads. There's 2 in there, and those he usually takes for his lunch sometimes. And then some taco shells, because we have some ground beef and we thought we'd have tacos sometime this week. So he also got some lettuce for salads and other things, sandwiches, tacos. You'll have to explain the steak, John. Come tell us about the steak.
What about it?
Well, explain.
It's the ribeyes, beef Angus ribeyes from Sam Club, which are very delicious, and I'm gonna cook them on my new Traeger grill. Or smoker, I should say. Smoker,
yeah. We'll have to get some pictures of that. And then he got me some ice cream. I told him I wanted just some plain ice cream. He got the Blue Bunny vanilla bean flavored. Okay. Well, the reason I wanted this is because I wanted to be able to mix a little bit of ice cream with some strawberries. And he bought a big thing of strawberries. So let me do the meat first, though. Okay, so we got the Italian sausage, hot Italian sausage, and that's for mainly pasta. And I think we'll probably use that with that what was that? Chickpea. Yeah, the pasta I bought that's made out of the same stuff as hummus. Anyway, I was going to use that pasta. We're going to do that with Italian sausage. And we got some tomatoes. He got tomatoes. Some peppers, because we're going to have fajitas this week too, because leftover steak, we always use leftover steak for fajitas. He bought some Extreme Wellness high fiber tortillas, and we'll use those for wraps and for fajitas. He bought me some good, thank you, John. It's the Allerzier, and it's compare it to Zyrtec for allergies, because I've got to start really managing my allergies better. He got some salmon. Are you going to smoke this, John?
Probably.
Yeah, so salmon. We're trying to get more salmon and fish and all into our diet. And I'm not a fan. He loves salmon, but I'm really not a fan of fish. So, except for breaded fish sticks. Okay. He got some of the Hervati Gouda pack, which is something we always get. And asparagus. Asparagus is in season now, and we're going to grill some of this asparagus. Probably have it with the salmon, and probably have it with the steak tonight as well. He got some of the Pace Picante sauce, salsa, chunky salsa. And we use that to dip chips in and to put on tacos and burritos and all kinds of stuff. And he got some avocados. And I've been doing avocado toast in the morning with an egg. And then we slice up avocado for what we call happy hour, which we have maybe a glass of wine, and chop up some avocado with some cheese and crackers, things like that. And then some of the blend. This is a staple at our house. We always have the Kinder's blend on hand. And that's our haul, y'all.
Inside, tore my mind, stole my peace. I prayed for ease but feared that my days were over. That emptiness is hard to pass. To fill that gap, you need to open up. All your days are over.
Our daughter just called and she said, hey, how about an early dinner? Since John was planning to grill, we're like, okay, let's do an early dinner. And he'll maybe just come here and we'll throw some steaks on the grill, because that's what we were going to do anyway. And she said, okay. So we're like, early dinner. Well, for us, I'm just adjusting this a bit. For us, early dinner, I mean, what? What do we think? Early dinner, 3 o'clock?
3 to 3:30.
3 to 3:30, that's an early dinner. What you having?
Some wine.
Yep. 3:30. it's an early dinner for us. Because, you know, we eat normally 5:30. But for her, I forget the younger kids. I mean, they're like, okay, Mom, well, we got to run here. And she's bringing a roommate. So we have to go do this and this. So she said, well, how about we're going to leave here about 3. They live about an hour away. We'll leave about 3. And then we have to go to the store and get a couple things. So, and then we'll come by and we'll have dinner. Well, that's, by the time she gets here, it's 4:35. That's not early dinner. That's normal dinner. Like, okay. So John's got his wine open now. And I got John here.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna just clean up a little bit, get the house ready, start the baked potatoes. He's gonna go out and crank up the new smoker here in a minute and get it all warmed up. And we're gonna do steak and baked potatoes, and I don't know, I might just cook some brownies real quick or something for dessert. So that's our dinner. Unexpected company, but I think we can handle it. So, all right, early dinner.
We've got wine, we can handle it.
Yeah, that's right.
Salute.
Salute. I'll smell yours.
You have to drink and cook, you know.
It does smell good though. Red wine.
I'm thinking louder than my brain can take. Have to say something, but words fade away. I want a picture of all of my mistakes, posted on the wall right in front of me. If I could get my feelings straight, my reflection wouldn't be so blurry. If I could see the whole dim landscape, then I'd know what to say to you. I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communications were left.
All about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on